Hello everybody, today we will discuss about bar plots that displaying significant letter, and for this tutorial we will gonna use the following package. That means the tdverse, the ggtem, the multi-comp view, as well as the declare and ggplot2. So you have to incorporate into your studio if you already install it into your R software, then submit to our studio. Then after for sake of minimizing time, I already imported my data, and my data name is S2, and it contains treatment. Let's see, by checking the structure of my data. So it's S2, so type this one and run to our studio. So as you see here is the frame is the replication, the treatment, and the pH. So the treatment and the replication by default they are factors, and the pH is the numeric. So if you want to convert into a factor, in case if it's not a factor, let's say treatment and replication is numeric, so you have to use following syntax to convert into factors, so using as.factor function. So let's create the linear model. So the linear model here is you can assign any name that you want here, and you have to use it analysis of variance, and pH is the response variable or the dependent variable as explained by treatment plus replication. So treatment plus replication means your design is a random complete block design. Then again you have to refer your data name, so data is equals to S2 for this tutorial. For maybe for you is different, so you can reconsider it depend on your data name. So type this one and run. So for sake of this tutorial, we're gonna use the Tukey honest significance difference. Is one of the most powerful mean separation methods. So whether it is significant, in order to check whether is significance difference or not among the treatment after getting our ANOVA result. So what I create here is WAGO, so you have to use Tukey. Here is the Tukey HSD function, and you have to indicate the linear module name is WAGO. So type this one and run. So let's see the compact letter display, especially it is built in the multi-comp view. So CLD stands for the compact letter display. So the functions that you are going to use or to display the compact letter display is the multi-comp letter S4, multi-comp letters 4. So you have to and again refer WAGO, and the method that are used is Tukey. So type this one and run. And again also you can create the factors with certain context, especially you can give YJ here or any name that you want to do. So and again you have to use the function group by, and the group by is among the data names. You can create a group using the treatment, and also here is summarize W, which stands for the mean of the plant height or the response variable, and standard deviation is which is equals to standard deviation of what the plant height, and you can arrange either ascending or descending. So desk means descending, so W, which is equals to the mean of what the plant height, so it will present in descending order. So type this one and run to your studio. Then let's extract the Tukey or the compact letter display, and adding also the Tukey table. So in order to do that, you can give any names that you want here. So you can use as.data frame.list function, and from the compact letter display you can attach the treatment. So attach your treatment. Maybe for you is a genotype, maybe for you is irrigation, maybe for you is gender, but depend on your objective or dependent on your data structure. So you have to say attach the treatment. So by this way we can incorporate to our studio, and also from this we create a compact letter. So what mentioned here is the compact letter display, and you have to use CLD then letters. So type this one and run. Let's print a YJ. Yeah, as you see here, it's already the compact letter is created. So for 0 is E, for 6 is D, for 9 is CD, for 12 is BC, and 15 is B. Lastly, for 366 are AB and uh, uh, sorry, A. So by this way you can create a significant letter. Then after we can go for plotting, especially using the ggplot. So you use ggplot function and mention yj here, and also the axis is treatment, then w is the mean of plant height, so it will be present in this way. And also if you can use P plus the plus symbol to add what the geometry bar, then status equals to identify, then axis fill is equals to height. And also you have, if you don't want to show the legend, so say it's false. If it is true, the legend will display either in the top or in the bottom or in the left side of our graph. Then again, if you want to add the error bar, so again you can use the symbol plus and also geometry error bar, and the y mean, which equals to the standard, the mean minus standard deviation, and also the y max, which equals to the mean plus standard deviation. The y mean, it is the mean minus standard deviation. Y max, which equals to the mean plus standard deviation. Don't forget that this W came from what? W is represented by mean of plant height. So by this way, and the width of the box, the bar around 0.05. And again, also if you want to add the levels for X and for Y, so you have to use labs. X, which equals to berry sledge in ton per hectare, Y is equals to average plant height in centimeter. And also additionally you can adjust the text, that means the letters A, B, C, D by especially the labels is the compact letter display, and also the Y, which equals to the mean plus standard deviation, and also the vertical adjustment is negative 0.5. And also you can limit the y-axis or the plant height between 0 up to maximum 120. So additionally also you can increase the in order to get good attractive way, so you have to add the temp view. So by this way you can incorporate all this syntax in order to create a bar plot using the ggplot function. So select all and submit to our studio using by hitting run. Yeah, it's already displayed here in this form, so it is very good and attractive. So if you want just to save this bar plot, so you have to use the function ggsave, and you can give any name that you want here, so barplot.png, and also you can limit the width 4.2 and height also 3, and also the DPI or the quality to 1000. Depending on your preference, you can use this syntax in order to save the figure. So you can get some here by searching this name into your documents. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding to my tutorial, you can address me through my email address as well as YouTube comment box. Have a nice time.